In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean and professional power clip effect in Photoshop. This is a simple but very effective technique that can make your social media graphics, posters, and creative photo edits look more polished and dynamic. The great thing about this effect is that it adds depth very quickly, while still being easy enough for beginners to follow. So let's go through it together from start to finish. First, select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse on your canvas. This shape will become the base of the effect, so try to size and position it in a way that frames your subject nicely. Once the ellipse is in place, change its color to anything that fits your overall design. You can use a bold color for something modern and eye-catching, or a softer tone if you want a cleaner and more subtle look. Next, go to the Layers panel and drag the ellipse layer below your subject layer. This is important because you want your subject to appear above the shape at this stage. Keeping your layers organized here will make the rest of the process much smoother. Now duplicate the subject layer to create a backup. This gives you more flexibility and helps build the layered look needed for the power clip effect. After that, select the original subject layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This will clip the image to the ellipse shape, so your subject now appears contained inside that ellipse. Once that's done, select the top duplicated subject layer and click the Add Layer Mask button. This is where the effect really starts to come together. Choose the brush tool, set it to a soft black brush, and carefully paint over the subject's feet. Painting with black on the layer mask hides that area, and by doing this selectively, you create the illusion that part of the subject is extending outside the clipped shape. That contrast between what's inside the ellipse and what breaks out of it is what gives the design that energetic, professional power clip look. To finish the design, select the ellipse layer, right-click it, choose Blending Options, and enable Stroke. Then adjust the stroke size, color, and position until it looks right for your composition. This final detail helps define the shape and can make the whole effect feel cleaner and more intentional. And that's it. You now have a stylish power clip effect that adds depth and helps your subject stand out. Thanks for following along, and keep exploring Photoshop to discover even more creative editing techniques. Happy editing!